This guide will walk you through the process to using WMS Label AI Agent. WMS Label Agent is designed to streamline warehouse label generation tasks. It helps warehouse managers and operators query warehouse locations and generate ZPL code for printing labels. Currently supporting the features below: 1. Retrieve location data from WMS. 2. Generate and preview ZPL label designs for locations. 3. Send generated labels to users via email. Now we will provide the detailed steps for guidance. Firstly, complete facility selection. Choose one facility from the drop-down options where the locations are located. Click the button to start chat with bot. Then, typing the keywords or details to retrieve location data from WMS. Take an example, enter the pattern to search locations. It will return the relevant locations information based on the patterns. Finally, confirm the target location to generate ZPL. It supports to update the placeholders according to the actual location name. Enter your requirements into the input box, such as the ZPL template or placeholders. Please also enter the preview command to generate a preview link if needed. Click on Preview Link for visual verification. The preview link will read a new tab displaying the ZPL. If there is no any further issue, you can print ZPL directly via ZPL-compatible label printer. The generated labels will be sent to user via email as well. Thank you for watching the video tutorial on how to use WMS Label Agent.